In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the whiteboard feature in Microsoft Teams. Now, whether you're using Teams for educational purposes, project collaboration, or simply for brainstorming, having access to a whiteboard can enhance your productivity and creativity. Microsoft Teams is a collaborative tool that many organizations rely on, and the whiteboard function is an invaluable component that aids in visualizing thoughts and ideas. So, let's dive right in and get that set up for you. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you feel comfortable with. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the search bar at the top and type in Microsoft Teams. This will lead you to Microsoft's official page, where you can log into your Teams account if you haven't already. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the Teams interface. You'll notice a series of icons and options. What you're looking for is the icon represented by 3 horizontal dots. This is the More Options button, and it's your gateway to accessing additional apps and features within Teams. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This action will open up a drop-down menu. In the search field that appears within this menu, you'll want to type the word Whiteboard. As you type, Teams will initiate a search, and you should see an app icon for Whiteboard appear in the list below. Select the Whiteboard app from the list. Clicking on it will enable the Whiteboard feature within your Teams environment. If it's your first time accessing this feature, Teams might prompt you with a brief tutorial or introduction to get you started. Feel free to go through it to familiarize yourself with its functions and layout. And there you have it. You've now enabled the whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. This powerful tool allows you to create presentations, jot down ideas, and collaborate visually with members of your team. Utilize it during meetings, plan your projects, or even conduct a virtual drawing session. The possibilities are broad, and Whiteboard is here to support a wide array of activities within your organization. So, give it a try and see how it can enhance your collaborative efforts. With its intuitive design and ease of use, you'll be sure to find it a great addition to your team's experience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your digital workspace. Goodbye for now, and happy collaborating.